let's talk. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Girl, it's been a minute. It's been 2 months, which I know. It's been a lot going on, y'all, which maybe later on in life, when viewers grow, I would explain what I went through, my journey. But the past 2 months, I had to, just a quick little talk with y'all before I get into this Boxy charm video. Oh, and y'all can tell my nails. Because I miss doing videos with y'all and seeing y'all. So now that I got kind of like the okay to like not film, but the thing is I'm healthy now. I feel better, more confident because I had to get surgery in this area. And I had to go through radiation, which was... I don't have cancer, FYI. I don't. But I did have to do radiation for a certain reason. I still don't feel too comfortable talking about the surgery I had. But it was very much needed. It's a year-long hell that I went through. But anyways, so I had the surgery. I had to relax for a while. So now that I am feeling great, feeling with great energy and confident, I am able to film with y'all. I miss y'all so much. Also, besides all that, y'all, make sure to stay at the end of the video, because at the end of the video I have an announcement for y'all that should be excited. It's a great announcement. It's gonna include you guys. So make sure to stay tuned towards the end for that announcement. Now let's get in with this very late video of Boxy Charm July edition. I did get one last year. Sorry. I did get one last month, but I wasn't able to obviously do the video because I was having surgery. Now, let's get with this box and see what's inside. By the way, y'all, let me show y'all real quick. Sorry. Hold a quick note. I'm gonna record it on my phone. I got a monitor finally, y'all, because I used to use the little one that comes behind that camera. Now I got a full-size monitor, which I'm obsessed with. So it's gonna take a little bit of time of getting used to this, but I love it because now I can really see what this video is gonna look like when I post it. Okay, let's open this up. As always, I haven't opened it. You know, I like to open these boxes with you guys for first impression. The last box, though, I will say for June. That's how much I didn't care for it because I can't remember what came in there. Alright, so it's cut open. Again, I do this with you guys first always. Let's see what's inside. Hold on. Is that what I think it is? Stop. Okay. Oh my god, how cute! Look at these sponges! Makeup blending sponge set. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see. There you go. If y'all can see the details, but it's so cute. Like a panda, a unicorn cat, a bunny, a cat. So 2 cats. This is so cute. What is this? Dare Me Lack? Sorry, y'all know my... Oh, it's a serum. Girl, which I am running out of a serum. And a retinol serum on top of that. Y'all, let's open this up. We'll look at the prices in a minute. Ooh. So retinol is going to help resurface the skin. It's going to help, like, go deep into the layers of your elasticity and just make you feel like a brand new woman. Reborn and smoother skin. Which I've been trying to work... Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? I don't know what that was. Which I've been trying to work on my skincare, y'all, because it's been a crazy few months. But this is also for day and night. Dear Me Lack. I've never heard of this before. But the packaging is nice. I can't wait to see what the price is on this. This box is actually pretty cool. Moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nurturing, firming. Oh, what is... eye serum. Y'all, this is huge for an eye serum. I don't know if... Oh, like I want the nails. Okay. This is really nice, sir. Mud masking. I've never heard of it. Ooh, reduces dark circles. Good, because I don't really have dark circles, y'all, but I do have natural puffiness, which is genetics, and then I have a lot of redness. But I'm excited to try this, y'all. Okay, good. Stop. Ella Masqua is in my box. Girl. You are a kid. For a surprise, we'll look at it in a minute. Stop. Ella Masqua, y'all, has been my go-to. This has been my go-to brand. I used to be obsessed with their foundation. They had, before any other brand, especially like Jeffree Star, before Kat Von D, and a lot of these huge brands with these colorful lipsticks, like, you know, the bright pink, besides MAC doing it first, obviously. Ella Masqua really had that strong pigment, strong like baby pink. They had like the blues, all different kind of colors. So I used to be obsessed with this brand because there's so much artistry. It's a palette. I don't even think I'm gonna use my little knife just to cut it. I just want to show y'all. Ooh, oh my god, I don't really want to cut this. The packaging is beautiful. Ella Masqua is an old company from back in the day. It's an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, the packaging is gorge. Y'all see that? Let's open this up and see it together, y'all. Wow, you're joking me. Look at the way it shines. The glip. Ooh, bro. Oh, I am so gonna play with this, y'all. This is beautiful. Let's try this. I wasn't gonna touch it, but let's do this. Let's see how great the pigment is. Let's try it right here if y'all can see. Bitch. You're lying to me. Look at that pigment. Look at that pigment. That was one swipe. Girl, I won't say brands, but I have not seen a brand give me this much pigment with one swipe. Let's try a lighter shade. Let's try this. No, this one right here. I don't want to do all of them, y'all, because I already know this has great pigment. Obviously, it's Ella Masqua. I mean, come on. If y'all don't know about Ella Masqua, then girl, you really don't know nothing about makeup in this industry, and you're not really in the game. No, I'm just playing. Let's see. Sorry, the lighting, y'all, is not the best right now. But look at that. Y'all, if y'all can see that, sorry, the lighting is terrible. Let's try a matte. We'll try the brown. Let's try the brown. See what this looks like. I'll put it right here so y'all can see it. Girl, does that have shimmer in it? No, it's matte. Look at that. Y'all, this is my new thing. I'm keeping it. That's it. Now, let's check this out. My hands are dirty, but it's okay. It is Basic Beauty, y'all. Let's see how basic this shit is. It is cruelty-free. What is it? Oh, lip oil. Okay, cool. I'm actually using the Sophia Marbly, whatever the hell it's called, which I think I did on one of my other videos from Boxy Charm, which is what I'm using right now, which is gorgeous, a nude, because I love a nude. Let's see what this oil looks like. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Let's just try it out, y'all. And I got makeup on my fingers, but it's okay. Let's see how glossy this is. Ooh, the oil. Is it? Look at the bottom, look at the top. Girl. Oh. So hydrating. Yo, this is so hydrating. Give you a minute. Hold on, does it smell? Oh my god, it has like a beautiful scent. I don't know what it is, but it smells so warm and good. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Okay, so that was all, y'all. Okay, yeah, that was everything. Serum, eyeshadow palette. These are so cute. Eye serum. Okay, so serums are happening. Let's see. Let's check this out, y'all. Let's see. Let's calculate everything. I'm excited. This box came out really good for July. I'm so sorry this video came out at the end of the month, y'all. Y'all gotta understand, a bitch has been going through it. But she is here now. She's here to stay. Let me get my little calculator. Okay. Let's see. The Alamasqua. The beautiful palette, y'all. Sorry. Y'all need to see all the colors only because you know the pigment is great. Like again, like I said, if you know Alamasqua, their pigments are no joke. They don't play. I don't understand why they're not that big now. I wish that, and I wish I would see way more Alamasqua palettes and more marketing of them because their stuff is amazing. I don't know why Sephora took it out. That was the stupidest thing they ever did. And Sephora. Anyway, so the Alamasqua palette, it is $50, y'all. That is worth the coin, and it is soft. It is so soft. I love it. I'm obsessed. That's like my new obsession. I'm gonna be playing with that. And then the Dermalogic. Oh! I thought it was Dare Me Let Girl. Dermalogic. This is the Dermalogic. It is $39 for a serum. That's not bad, especially for a retinol. I'm really excited to see how this works. Because usually retinol serums are way more expensive than this. This is on a still high price for a lot of people, but yeah, that's not actually really bad for a retinol. $39. Now let's see the eye serum mud masky. Damn, $63. Eye serums and eye creams are really expensive, so I'm not surprised, but $63, y'all. That is, and this is huge. This is really big. Okay. Now let's go in with the beauty sponges. The blend. Let's go with the blending makeup sponge set. This goes for $20. That is not good. M2U New York City, NYC. Design in NYC, made in China. Half of this stuff are made in China, y'all. Alright, so let's go in with the Basic Beauty Lip Oil, Summer Lip Oil. It is $18. Let's calculate everything, y'all. Girl, $190. Basically almost $200 for a $25 subscription a month. Oh, sorry. $25 for a subscription a month. Is this a 25? It's worth the coin. Again. So, love it. July's issue was amazing. I can still smell this, which is great. Alright, y'all. So, big announcement. I have my first giveaway coming up. Stay tuned for that this week, I believe. I hope it gets here this week. I have a big, huge giveaway coming up this week, y'all. Make sure to follow me on the Boy Monroe Instagram for the announcement for the giveaway, and it's going to be more details on the next video or the third video. Not sure yet, but the video's coming out this week. Just be on the lookout for the giveaway for you guys. I'm gonna make sure it is a really good one. So I am excited. I will give out the details soon. Just make sure to follow me on the Boy Monroe, you guys, to also try to enter for this win. Alright, and it's gonna be a random person. Also, y'all, to my friends, I know y'all bitches have every makeup and skincare in your house. Do not dare enter, okay? Be mad about it. Which is okay. So anyways, y'all, so make sure to subscribe, y'all. Show some girls some love. Make sure to like this video. Leave a comment down below. Make sure to follow the boy Monroe again to be entered in the giveaway, y'all. Because there's going to be more details coming out of how to enter and how to win. See y'all on the next video.